myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the probability and from the question number 5. Okay, so as per the previous session we already seen the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the last session. Okay, now we have to move for the question number 5 of the chapter number 15, probability. Okay, so this is the class 9th. This is for the class 9th maths. Okay, and we have to learn about the probability exercise 15.1, question number 5. We are moving for the question number 5. Okay, so in the question number 5, an organizer selected 2400 families at the random and the survey determine a relationship between the income level and the number of the vehicles in the family. The information gathered is listed in the table order. Okay, in the table below. So first of all we have to draw the table. So I'll draw the table, that is as a monthly income, that is less than 7,000, 7,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 13,000, 13,000 to 16,000 and 16,000 or more, 60,000 or more. Okay, clear? And vehicles per family, vehicles per family, and that is 0, 1, 2 and about 2. Zero, 1, 2 and about 2. Okay, so here is the 10, 1, 10, 0, 1, 2, 1, 10, 0, 1, 2, 1, 160, 305, 160, 305, 535, 469 and 579. Okay, and the 2, that is a 25, 27, 29, 25, 27, 29. Okay, 59, 82. And about 2, that is 0 to 1, 25 and 88. Okay, clear? This is the data is as per the given. Okay, so we have to find the probability from the given data. Okay, so what is my probability? First question is that suppose the family is chosen, find the probability of that family chosen is earning 10,000 to 13,000. Family which is earning 10,000 to 13,000 and owning exactly 2 vehicles. So first of all I'll write the P of E. P of E1, that is family, that is income is 10,000 or 13,000 and owning exactly two vehicles, that is 29 families. So my answer is 29 by total families are 2400. Okay, clear? This is your answer. Okay, second one is, that is P of E2. Here dear students, here I don't have any space. Okay, I don't have any more space at here, so I can't write all the formulas and all the things at here. You should to write all the things in the proper way, that I'll already show you in the previous session. That is, you should to write all the things, that is all the 4 steps for the first question, for the second, for the third. Okay, then you must to write that. Second one, that is earning rupees 16,000 or more, earning 16,000 or more, that is this column. And exactly one vehicle, earning 16,000 and more, this is from the last column. And we have to from the last row we have to show the from the column of the earning exactly only one vehicle, there is a 579 families. Okay, so 579 by 2400. Clear? This is my answer of P of 2. Now it say that earning less than 7,000 per month, earning less than 7,000 per month, that is from the first row. Okay, and does not have any vehicle, that means zero vehicle, less than 7,000 income and have no vehicle, that is a 10 families. Okay, so my P of E3, that is 10 by total number of families 2400, 0 zeros are cancel out, so 1 by 240. Okay, clear? And fourth one, that is earning 13,000 to 16,000, earning 13,000 to 16,000. Okay, from the second last row, and owning more than two vehicles, then 13,000 to 16,000. Okay, this is income, and owning more than two vehicles, that is a 25 families, there is about two vehicles, that is 25 families. So your P of E4, that is a 25 by 2400. Okay, 25 by 2400. Whenever you have to move for the cancellation, so you got answer will be 1 by 96 in this case. Okay, P of E4. Now we are moving for the last one, that is the owning not more than one vehicle. There is not any kind of the row we have to select, that's we have to select column, that is owning not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicle means that we do not have to count two and about two vehicles, we have to just count families which have no vehicles. Okay, and families which have one vehicles. Okay, you have to calculate add all the values of the zero vehicle. Okay, and you should to add all these numbers, and after that, after adding these all numbers, you got this some answer, that is for the P of E5. For the P of E5, you got the total, that is 2062, that is 2062 by 2400, that is total number of families. Okay, so answer will be 1031 by 1200. Whenever you go to cancellation, then 1300, 1031 by 1200. Okay, this is your answer, final answer. Clear? Now we have to move for the question number 6. In question number 6, that is there is also tell you that check the exercise or example or section from the chapter number 14. Okay, so first of all you have to check section or example or exercise from chapter number 14. In that question that they are right. Okay, so first of all check that section. Okay, check. So in that question there is also one of the table is given. Okay, for the question number 6, there is also one of the table is given, that is marks and number of students. Okay, there is a table of marks and number of students. There is a marks is from the 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to above or more. Okay, there is a 70 and above. There is a number of students is 7, 10, 10. Number of students is 7, 10, 10. Okay, 20, 20, 15, 8. 20, 20, 15, 8. Okay, here is the number of students 7. They are they got 20 marks or less than 20 marks. Number of students there is a 10. They are got marks between 20 to 30. Number of 10 students, there are another 10 students, they are got from the 30 to 40. Number of students there is a 20, they are got 40 or 50. Okay, they have got marks between 40 to 50. Number of students, there is another 20 students, they are got marks from 50 to 60. Okay, and there is a 15 students, they have got marks between 60 to 70, and there is 8 students, they score more than 70 marks. Okay, students they are score more than 70 or equal to 70, they are the 8 students, they are score more than 70 or equal to 70 marks. Okay, so there is a question that is here total is given 90 students. Number of students, there is a total 90 students. Okay, so what is the question, that is find the probability of the students obtain less than 20% in the mathematics test. Okay, the students that are got less than 20%. Okay, less than 20%, first of all you have to find the less than 20%. Here is the test is about the for the 100 marks test. Here the test is about the test is about 100 marks text. Okay, so for the 20% of the 100 marks, there is the 20 marks. Okay, so my probability, that is the students they are got less than 20 marks, that means students that are got less than 20 marks. Okay, so my P of E1, that is number of student score less than 20 marks. Okay, and upon total number of students. Clear? So number of students that are score less than 20 marks, there is a less than 20, there is less than 20, that means 0 to 20. Okay, less than 20, that means 0 to 20. Okay, so there is a 7 students, they are score less than 20 marks. Okay, so my students is number of students, that is 7 by total 90. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now we have to find the second question, that is find the probability that the students obtain marks 60 or above. Okay, the students that are score 60 or above. So marks 60 or above, that is the students that is a score 60 or above, there is a, we have to take this two column, that is 60 or 70 and 70 above, that is 60 or above, that means 60 to 100. Okay, clear? There is a two students, there is a number of students, that is 15 and 8. So here we are writing that P of E2, that is a number of students score more than 60 marks upon total number of students. Okay, there is a 15 and 8, so 15 plus 8 divided by total 90, that is 27 by 90. Okay, so you have to move for the calculation cancellation. After the cancellation you got 15 plus 8, there is a 23, not a 27. So 23 by 90, that is your final answer. Okay, clear? So note down this first. Clear? So now we have to move for the question number 7. Okay, in the question number 7, that is also already given, that is to know the opinion about the students about the subject statistic. A survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded to following table. Okay, there is a total number of students, that is a 200. Okay, so for the question number 7, total students is equal to 200, and number of students that are like this statistic, there is a 135. Okay, so number of students like statistic, there is a 135, and the number of students that dislike the statistic, there is a 65 students. Okay, so now my question is that find the probability of the chosen at the random like statistic, and second one is does not like it. Okay, so first of all, P of A1 like statistic, then number of students like statistic upon total number of student. Okay, So number of students that are like statistic, that is 135 upon total number of students, that is a 200. So now you have to move for the cancellation. For the after the cancellation you got the answer 27/40. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now second one is, that is P of E2. Okay, for the P of E2, that is also say that they does not like it. Does not like means that is dislike. Okay, so number of students dislike statistic upon total number of students. Okay, so here is a 65 students divided by 200. So 65 by 200, that is your answer will be, after you have to move for the cancellation, your answer will be 13/40. Okay, clear that? Note down this first. Okay, now we have to move for the question number 8. Here is the question number 8 is about the statistical data. Okay, there is also says that check the question number or from the exercise. Okay, check exercise 14.1. there is a question any kind of the one of the question number and answer it. Okay, the distance of the 40 engineers from the residence of their place of the work were found as the follow. So at here now I'll not write the all the data of this question. I'll generally answer that follow. Okay, so follow that my answer. What is the empirical probability that is the engineer lives less than 7 km from the from her place of the work? Okay, so here we have to find the P of E1, that is distance is less than 7 km. Okay, distance less than 7 km upon total distance. Okay, total engineers. Okay, total engineers total number of engineers. Okay, here is the number of the engineers. Their distance is less than 7 km from the workplace. Okay, there is the number of these engineers. There is a 9 engineers whose workplace is less than 7 km. For your answer will be 9/40. Okay, so number of the engineers living less than 7 km. Okay, from her place to the work, there is a 9 engineers. Okay, so you can see in the whole data and you can check less than 7 km, that is 1 to 6. Okay, you have to check 1 to 6 numbers and there is how many numbers there are from the 1 to 6 in the data. So you have to take a cross out and write it about the here. You don't have to count, please understand, you don't have to count 7. Okay, you don't have to count 7. Okay, you have to count from the 1 to 6 numbers only in the given data. So second one, there is within a half kilometer from the place of work. There is not any kind of the data is given in the text and the place. There is a half kilometer from the workplace. There is an impossible event. So here we have to write that is P of E2, number of engineers. There is a distance is half kilometer, within half kilometer. So divide by total number of engineers. So there is not any kind of the half kilometer of the distance is given in your data. So here I'll write 0 by 40. So 0 by 40, that is your answer will be 0. Okay, there is a impossible event. Number of engineers living within half kilometer from her place. There is not any kind of the engineers given in your data, or not any kind of the value given that is within a half kilometer. So there is a 0 answer. So your answer will be 0 by 40. So final answer is 0. There is a impossible event. Okay. So if you want, then I'll write the data and I'll show you that. So from that, first of all, I'll show you that question number 9 and 10 we don't have to do that because that is a activity. Okay, there is a activity of the question number 9 and 10. So we can't solve that questions at our session, and that kind of the there is not any kind of the question that I ask in the exam point of view. Okay, so we don't have to do that question number 9 and 10. So please cancel out or cancel that questions. We don't have to do that. Okay, and there is not any kind of the question that I ask in the exam from the for question 9 and 10. So now I'll give the whole data and give you the that option, that is 5, 19, 7, 12. 5, 19, 7, 12. 3, 10, 9, 14. 3, 10, 9, 14. 10, 12, 7, 2. 10, 12, 7, 2. 20, 17, 8, 9. 20, 17, 8, 9. 15, 18, 3, 6. 15, 18, 3, 6. Okay. 11, 11, 5, 15. 11, 11, 5, 15. Okay. 13, 32, 12, 15. 13, 32, 12, 15. 7, 17, 15, 7. 7, 17, 7, 17, 15, 7. Okay. So 12, 16, 18, 6. 12, 16, 18, 6. And 31, 2, 3, 12. 31, 2, 3 and 12. 31, 2, 3 and 12. So okay. So there is a how many number of the employees? There is a distance is less than 7. So distance is less than 7. We have to count from the 0 to 6. Okay. There is a number that is from the 0 to 6. Okay. So first of all 5, that is between 0 to 6. Another number is 3, that is 0 to 6. 2 is between 0 to 6. We don't have to count 7. Okay. That is must to understand that. 3 is between 0 to 6, 6 is between 0 to 6 and including also 6. Okay, 5 is between 0 to 6 and including 6. Okay, and we don't have to count 7. Another 7 we don't have to count 6. That is between 0 to 6 and including 6, and 2 and 3 they are also between the 0 and 6 and including 6. So there is a number of the engineers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, clear? There is a 9 number of the engineers that are distance is less than 7 kilometer. Okay, so that's why we have to write 9 by 40. Clear? And in the whole data we can't see that there is any kind of the half number is given. Okay, so there is not any kind of the possibility to for the half distance. Okay, so there is a 0 by 40. Clear that? So students, I hope all of you are enjoying this class and you understand all the things that I'll teach you in this session. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please notify me. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.